Um, you are gone today. Hopefully you're not sick, and if you're home, hopefully you're on a vacation or having fun, but this is what you missed. To start with, we're starting with a Sudoku puzzle. Remember, we did shapes, then we did letters, now we're transitioning to numbers, and then we're going to move to more complicated number sets. So that's number one. And then number two, we're going to look at the video that we made yesterday. So I put this up on your site on Google Classroom, and it kind of looks like, well, it does look like this. See if I can find it here. And it's just called X and Y coordinates, and you can just see the beginning of it here. But it turned out really cool. Okay, there we see the x-axis and the y-axis and how the people move through. So you can watch this video that's on Google Classroom. Then the next thing we're going to do after we watch the video on Google Classroom is we're going to introduce our problem. And the problem that we're working on is called it's collecting, organizing, and analyzing data, and it's about Newton's revenge. I'll just read the introduction to set the scene. It says, have you heard about Newton's Revenge, the new roller coaster? It is so big, so fast, scary, that rumors are already spreading. Some people are worried that the tunnel that thrills riders with its low ceiling. The closest the ceiling ever comes to the seat of the roller coaster is 200 centimeters. And although no accidents have been reported yet, it is said that very tall riders have stopped the roller coaster. Your task: consider how you can determine whether the tunnel is actually safe for any rider, no matter how tall, and discuss the questions below with your team. Be ready to share your responses with the rest of the team. What is this problem about? What is it asking you to do? What information can help you answer this question? How can you get the information you need? Okay, so we're going to break up into groups. We're going to discuss these questions. Then we're going to ask those questions and then formulate what do we need and what is this problem about? What's it asking us to do? So then we want to collect data. And the data that we want to collect is this. Each member of the team needs to be measured twice. First, have one team member stand and have another team member measure his or her height. Second, have the same student sit in a chair or desk, raise their arms so that they're stretched as far as possible above their head, and then measure the distance from the seat of the chair to the fingertips, called the reach. All distance measurements should be measured in centimeters. Each person should record their team's data in a table like that one above. So what I want in your group is you have to write your height, and then you have to write your reach, and then what I'm going to do is that's your ticket to go into homework. Okay, so you can work on 1.1.1, 1.1.2, 1.1.3, and if you should have those done, I'll have 1.1.4 available too. Okay, so that's your ticket, and then I'm going to take that information and I'm going to go and start graphing all of your data. So I'm going to enter your, let's say your height. So this axis, the x-axis is height. Let's say you're 100 centimeters tall, and your reach is 95 centimeters. Then we're just going to plot that point right there. Okay. And then later what we're going to do is we're going to play with this on the Desmos calculator and then see if we can notice some trends in the data. Okay. That's it. So to recap, we're going to do Sudoku. We're going to look at the graphing we did yesterday. We're going to introduce the Newton's Revenge, and then we're going to meet in a group, discuss what this problem is about, what we need, and then we're going to collect data, and then from there you're going right into your homework. Okay? Hope you're having a good day. If you have any questions, you can contact me at johnson.th@mps.school. All right, pal, have a wonderful day.